Sabrina, let's talk about a few things here. First and foremost, we'll have to deal with the winds that are going to be very strong throughout the duration of the day, as well as these snow squalls that are really lighting up the radar. We were talking about them arriving around this time frame, and it looks like that part of the forecast is definitely panning out, and we're dealing with more of the same. Sunset is at 5:10 this evening, and I think that will be the beginning stages of two things: the coverage of the snow coming to an end and the winds starting to lighten up. But until then, there's a look at our area of low pressure pushing away from us, but it's still intensifying, and the winds are wrapping around this. They're being validated here. I've seen a gust pop up to about 54 miles per hour at the airport, and I'm noticing the winds are picking up yet again as the direction is shifting. So a lot of words to say we're not done with this thing just yet. But let's focus on the snow, because that's what it's producing as well. Grabbing all of this moisture off of the lakes, producing these snow squalls. Think of them as a heavy downpour. If this was the summertime, I would say, oh, we have heavy downpours all over the area. That's with rain. This is the snow equivalent of that, and that's where we're seeing these snow squall warnings. And that means it's heavy enough that it could really drop visibility. It could ice up the roads in a hurry. It catches drivers off guard from time to time. This one's crossing over I-96 as well as Telegraph. Here's Dearborn Heights. These are roads that could be impacted by this. No warning on that one just yet, but that could change. Same thing near Rochester Hills. Snow squall warning remains in effect until 12:30. The worst of this appears to be just south of Rochester Hills, but it is in the vicinity, as well as Auburn Hills as well. These are all over the place, and I think we'll be dealing with them for a good chunk of the day. Getting back to the winds, they're lighter right now, but I think they're going to pick up again later this afternoon, and that's going to be as the colder air shifts and moves in, and it kind of reinforces itself. So this is another look at it. Wind gusts are going to stay pretty elevated. The high wind warning remains in effect until 9 o'clock. It'll still be breezy even after the warning expires, but it's not going to be at that damaging or potentially damaging criteria. So it is getting better in that regard. For the rest of today, we'll be dealing with more snow, more gusty winds. Temperatures are not going to move much. I think we'll be in the 20s throughout much of the day. By tonight, we'll begin to settle things down. Still a cold night, though, as the skies clear up. Temperatures down to about 20. We'll be in the teens in some spots, and this is just resetting the pattern. No ebbs and flows with the temperatures this time around. Once this storm is done, it leaves with us a parting gift. Talking about the temperatures not moving much, we stay in the 20s for much of the week. I think we'll have a hard time even getting there by Thursday after some snow on Wednesday.